Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can add the shortcut to your home screen of the favorite program in Bosch Dishwasher SMV. So in the first step, add a tab on the dishwasher or the smart cycle, then configure your program that you want to add to the favorites and click on the heart icon. Then add a name of it, set the color and expand the more options. Then choose the create shortcut for favorite. Then click on the OK and click on the add. Then go to the home screen and as you can see there we have a favorite program. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or comment and goodbye.